Leveling the balance. Adjust the leveling feet of the density balance until the air bubble in the indicator center. Installation. Place the weighing pan on the balance main body. Position the container across the weighing pan. Secure the bracket across the top of the containers so that the bottom of the bracket fits into both ends of the weighing pan. Selection of states. Press Call after turning on the balance to switch to weighing state. Long press Set under the sample selection. Use the O button to toggle between sample states. Press Set to turn on the state to be selected. Press Cal to select and confirm the state. Single point calibration. Long press CAL until Cal displayed, then 200. 0 inches will flash. Place the 200 grams calibration weight on the designated circle on top. Equals will be displayed, then 200. 0 inches will be displayed again. Remove the calibration weight to see equals again, indicating completion when the reading shows 0. 0. Multi-point calibration. Immediately press and hold Cal upon turning on the balance until Cal is displayed. Place the 200 grams weight when 200. 0 inches flashes, then equals will show. Repeat the process for the 100 grams and 50 grams weights, following the same procedure for each. Calibration is complete once the reading reaches 0 inches. Density determination for solids. Long press O to return to the density determination mode. Press the Tar key, and solid 1 followed by 0. 0 grams will display. Place the sample on the top circle after the reading stabilizes. Press Tar again. Solid 2 will show. Place the sample on the hanging shelf fully immersed in water. Press Tar once more after stabilization to view the density determination result. For solids less dense than water, secure the sample with an anti-floating cradle. Density determination for particles. Place the glass cup on the top and reticular sphere in water. Press Tar and add the particles to the glass cup. Press Tar after stabilization, then transfer them to the reticular sphere immersed in water. Press Tar again post-stabilization to view the density determination result. Density determination for golds. Select the gold state following the previous steps. Follow the same procedures as for solids to determine the density of gold. After determination, the gold coin was identified as 24K.